How are you, my dear students? Our lesson today is about 3D shapes. Before we talk about 3D shapes, we will make a small revision about 2D shapes. We know 2D shapes, that's a like triangle, rectangle and a square. Okay, what do you notice about these shapes? We notice that this shape is a flat shapes. It's just a drawing. This is flat shapes. This is flat shapes. Okay, triangle, rectangle and square. There is circle type. If you want to talk about 2D shapes, we will talk about flat shapes. Okay, if we want to talk about 3D shapes, we are going to talking about the 3D shapes that we can feel, touch and see. Like this. This is 3D shapes. This is a cube. This is a cube. We can feel it. We can feel this. See, I can see a cube. And touch. I touch like this. Can you touch this 2D shapes? Can you touch this or this? No. So if we talk about 3D shapes, it's 3-dimensional shapes that we can feel, touch and see. We going to talk about the first one. I will talk about the pyramid. Okay, what do you notice about this? I can hear you. What do you notice about this? This pyramid. Okay, it's a triangle here and another triangle here. Triangle at the back. Okay, this face like a triangle. So we talk about triangle. What we called before? We call this 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Okay, why 2D shapes? Because the face of this, it's a triangle. Yes. So triangle, the face, it's a flat shapes. Triangle is a flat shapes type. So the face of the pyramid is 2D shapes. Face, we talk about flat shapes. If I want the face of the 3-dimensional shapes, we talk about the flat shapes that the pyramid has. It has what do you notice? It's a triangle here, triangle at the back. طيب, there is one rectangle. It's called a base. So the base of the triangle is the base of pyramid, it's a triangle. So what we call this is a square based on triangle. Okay, طيب, let's move. يبقى we will relate the pyramid to the 2D shapes of triangle. طيب, what's the face of this? The face, it's a flat shape. A flat shape of this, it's what do you notice? It's a rectangle. Okay, so I will join with rectangle. What about the face of this? It's a face of what? Face of cube. What we call this? Cube. The face of this, it's a square. The face of the cube, it's a square. And the face of cuboid is a rectangle. The face of pyramid is triangle. طيب, what about sphere? What we call this? Sphere. What we call this is like a ball. Like a ball you play it. Football. Okay, football, basketball, anything. It's 3D shape, so we can touch and feel and see. Okay, so this is the sphere. What's the face of the sphere? It has one only face. It's like a circle. So I will match it with a circle. So the sphere has a face of a circle. Okay, let's move to another one. What we call this? This is cylinder. Cylinder, it has, what do you notice? You notice that there is two flat shapes as a circle. يبقى two flat shapes. What about this? This is a curved face. This is a curved face. So how we have three faces, two flat and one curved. Okay, we will talk again about the properties of the 3D shapes. Okay, what about the cone? The cone, it has what? The cone has how many faces? We talk about this flat face and this curved face. This curved face. Okay, let's go to the 3D shapes and related the 3D shapes with your environment or your life. Okay, if I make, what do you like? Ice cream? I like it. This is like what's the shape? What's the 3D shapes that represented? Okay, this is a cone. This is what? This is a cone. So I will write a cone. This is the shape of cone. I will write cone. Okay, what about this? This is the earth. This is the earth. Okay, earth planet. We have here a map. Okay, earth planet, like what? Like a ball. Okay, football. So this is what we called, this is a sphere. Very good, excellent to every one of you. Okay, what about this? Okay, this is a ball of thread. Do you know thread? Okay, I know you know thread. Okay, هنا we have a circle, flat shape, flat face. This is flat face and this is flat face. Okay, طيب, and one curved face, two circle, two circle or two flat face and one curved. What we called, do you remember what I explained before? Do you think that is sphere or cylinder or cone? Yes, I hear you. I hear every one of you. It's a cylinder. Very good, excellent. So I will write cylinder. Kareem, are you understand this? Okay, you will answer me in this question. Okay, what about this? This is like what? Do you know this? This is this is الفيس بتاعه like a rectangle. We have a rectangle. Rectangle. It's a cuboid. It's a cuboid. It's a cuboid. This is like it. طيب, do you have another example about cuboid? I hear you. It's a box of matches. A box of matches. We can represent it as a cuboid. Okay, what about this? I will take this shape. Okay, this is a cuboid, so I will write cuboid. Okay, this is a cube of ice. A cube of ice. I said the answer. This is a cube. Yes, it's melting. I think it's melting. There is a water. Okay, what about this? This is a ball. They talk about itself. It's a sphere. Very good, excellent. What about this? This is a torch. Torch like what? What do you think? It's a cylinder. Yes, cylinder. Very good. What about this? The pyramid in Giza. Pyramid, like pyramid in Giza. Yes, this is a pyramid. Yes, pyramid. What about this? like الفيس بتاعها عاملة زي ايه؟ كيوب ولا كيوبويد؟ it's a cuboid. It's a cuboid or prism. Okay, cuboid. Okay, this is cuboid. Okay, we will move to another section. This is a 3D solid. احنا عايزين هنا ايه نعمل، هو كاتب لك اعمل لك ايه، اعمل لك 3D shape وعايز منك اللي هو ايه he want to know the faces, edges, vertices. okay, you know the faces is a flat shape. okay, the flat shape is as a cube has a square face. okay, how many square faces in cube? okay, you will count with me, everyone count with me. okay, this is a face. okay, this is a face, one face. huh 2. what about the bottom? 3. what about the side? 4. has the other side? 5. yes. what about the behind? what about the back? it's 6. so we have a 6 faces. we have a 6 faces. we count by this, like this. okay, this is a cube. okay, this is a cube. how many faces do we have? how many square faces do we have in cube? 1. I will make it like this. 1. 2. 1. I will start with this 1 and the other side 2. 3 at the top, 4 at the bottom, 5 at the sides, and the other side 6. so it will be a 6 faces. so it will be a 6 faces. okay, what about the edges? what's the meaning of edges? what's the meaning of edges? edges means like this. it's how the shape build. means what? how the shape build. يعني هي اللي بتكون الشيب. يعني we have here 1. this is a this is edge 1. 2 3 4. طيب احنا عندنا هنا في السكوير الواحد في هنا 4 sides. 4 sides in a square and the 4 sides يبقى it will be كام؟ 4 4. 4 plus 4 اهو بص 4. okay, 5. this is each. 6 and this 1. 7 8 9. there is 1. 10 11. there is 1. 12. so it's a 12 edges. so we have a 12 edges. we have 12 edges. so we agree that edges, that how the shape is made. how the shape is made like this. this is edge. we count 12 edges. طيب we will move to another part, vertices. okay, vertices. vertices like points, like this. this is a point that the two edges meet. it's a there is a I will go with another color. okay, this is point. okay, and two edges meet. so edges meet in what? in one point. this is called the vertex. if I have one more, if I have there is more than one, we will call it not vertex, I will call it vertices. I will call it a vertices. one point called the vertex. one point called a vertex. طيب if I have more than one, it will called vertices like this. vertices, more than one vertices. okay, and one point is vertex. okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. so we have a 8 vertices. so we have a 8 vertices. we have 12 edges, 8 vertices, 6 faces. okay, if you want to save it, just make it as a song. okay, I will repeat it again. 12 edges, 8 vertices, 6 faces. okay, what's the same with this? we will find cuboid.